Let me show you how you can make your display stay on permanently on these newest Samsung Galaxy tablets. So yeah, if you basically use it for some kind of maybe demo work or stuff like that, you can also enable this function, but it's kind of hidden. So by default, if you go in the display settings, if you change the screen timeout, see, you can only set it for 30 minutes. But yeah, so if you want to change it to pretty much so it never turns off, we simply have to go in the About Tablet option over here and click Software Information here. And next we have to click 7 times on the build number to unlock the developer option. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yep, hello. And you see you have this new option here, developer options. If we click that, you see you have this option here, stay awake. So if we enable it, basically the screen will actually never turn off, as long as it's basically plugged in. So yep, you also have to actually plug it in the charger, and then with that one it will stay on permanently. Good luck.